everyone, how you all? Welcome to my channel Ankita's Management Hub. So I don't want to waste your moment. Let's jump to the directly today's topic, that is motivation.
First of all, the very basic question is what is motivation?
अब कभी किसी भी काम को जब हम नहीं
करना चाहते
कर उसके साथ एक ग्रीड को एक कर दिया जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी एड एनी ग्रीड विद एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क जो हमें पुश करे उसको अचीव करने के लिए, ओके, दैट इज वी विल कॉल इट मोटिवेशन. मोटिवेशन इज अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड filled with energy which derives a person to work in a certain way to achieve desired goal. वो हमारे दिमाग में एक तरह की एनर्जी और एंथुजियाज्म को पैदा करता है जो हमें ड्राइव करती है, पुश करती है टू वर्क इन अ सेम डायरेक्शन टू अचीव आवर गोल. इट इज़ अ फोर्स दैट pushes people to work with a high level of commitment and focus. Now in management we have a different theories regarding motivation. In today's video we will try to cover certain theories. First theory that we will cover is Maslow theory of hierarchical need. Maslow postulated that a person will be motivated when his all needs will be fulfilled. People do not work for security or money, but they work to contribute and use their skills. He demonstrated this by creating a kind of pyramid to show how people are motivated and mentioned that one cannot ascend to the next level जब तक उसकी lower level needs are not fulfilled. To the lowest level need in the pyramid are the basic need, and unless these are lower level needs and person is not satisfied with these needs, he cannot move to achieve the next higher level needs. For example, he covers the psychological need, safety needs, social needs, self-esteem needs, self-actualization needs. In psychological needs, he covers that's a very very basic need, that is sleep, food, water, clothing. That is our psychological need that we required. Self-esteem, the need for respect and recognition. जब हमारी ये नीचे की 3 needs fulfill हो जाती है, then we jump to the self-esteem need. Means हमें एक society में respect चाहिए होती है, हमें recognition चाहिए होती है, पर अगर हमारे पास अच्छा खाना नहीं है, food नहीं है, clothing नहीं है, तो we cannot even think about the self-esteem need. That's what the Maslow tried to convey.
Employee need has to be satisfied step by step.
Herzberg two-factor theory now. Herzberg basically classified the motivation into 2 groups. First one is the hygiene factor and the next one is the motivator factor. Hygiene factor, he included the working condition, co-worker relation that also impact an employee. Next here is the motivator factor is a work responsibility. Obviously the work itself, the personal growth what you are getting in an organization, your recognition next. Now we will talk about the McClelland theory of needs. What he said we all have 3 motivating drivers. वो कौन से हैं? These are achievement, affiliations and the power. Achievement में he include your need of accomplish and people with higher factor need approach to the achievement, and whereas people who need love, social acceptance, they approach to the affiliation. People who need to influence others, they approach to the power. Now McGregor's theory X and theory Y. In theory X, he talk about to those people who believe that there is a people who do not like their work, who do have little motivation. He need to be watched each and every moment, and they are not able to accountable for anything. They avoid responsibilities, even they avoid work whenever possible. They portray this kind of thinking about their team member. Whereas theory Y, people believe that there is the people that can work without any kind of supervision. They have a pride on their work. They take it as a challenges because they want the affiliation and the recognition in the organization. They want to achieve more in their work. They can direct their own efforts and take ownership to their work and do it effectively by themselves.
They want their work and efforts to be acknowledged.
Well, thank you so much for giving me your time and watching this. and content. If you find it relevant, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Thank you so much.